What's your favorite aspect of the laundry business now that you're in it a year or so? What do you enjoy the most?
I like dealing with the customers. I think it's pretty neat. I mean, laundromats are one of the I guess the few industries where you actually have a lot of downtime in a sense, with the customer. Because even if you're washing and you're doing the wash and fold part of it, I mean you can still chat with somebody who's, waiting 25 minutes for a dryer. You get to know a lot about them, you get to know them on a personal level. A lot of our wash and fold customers, if I walk in, like I recognize their laundry bags, you know? So I said,
Yeah,
"Oh,
yeah.
Brandon was here. Okay, is he wants to get picked up for Sunday morning, right? Okay." So I think that's really the cool part. There's and a lot of people are creatures of habit, so you see the same people at the same time. There's one gentleman I open like on Thursdays. I'll open my store and I'll do some of the paperwork, the coins and stuff. And there's one guy who's almost always there, like waiting for me. And I've joked with him that I'm going to give him a set of keys because he knows how to open up. Just put the chairs out. You can open up, turn the water on, the lights, and I'll come in around 8:30. So that's kind of like a running joke. So I think that's what I like. I like really you get to know people because everywhere else you might have a very short interaction, but here you can actually have a conversation even while you're doing your work.
Right, right. And laundries are very much a community-based business. As you know, you have I know you've got a little library in there as
Yes.
far as giving back to the community and giving something for the kids to do when they're in the store. So again, it all goes along the same lines of that and getting to know your customers, doesn't it?
Well, you do see a lot of that community because we do have apartments, behind us. And
Yeah.
like on a Saturday morning, they'll walk in and they all know each other. And I've always been amazed at like how many people like they recognize each other. They don't live in the apartments, but I don't know, everybody's obviously in town. And they recognize each other at the laundromat. And sometimes, I've seen customers outside. I was at the grocery store and I saw one customer there, and then I went to like the Dollar Tree and I
Yeah.
saw him there. And I'm like, look, where are you going next? Because I won't go there. So
Right.
yes, you're very much a part of the community.